We have now reached our last skill task for lesson 3. This is select a template from a new tab. Let's go to Excel and go to Backstage and click New. When you click New, you have some templates available here, and also you have some feature templates list is available here. So for this skill task, we need to use a template called Project Tracker. So you can scroll down and locate the template Project Tracker. We have Project Timeline, but Project Tracker is not available. If you do not see that template, you can click here and search for that Project Tracker. Here it is, Project Tracker. Click on this and then click Create. Notice that you have two worksheets in this workbook. One is this Project Tracker and the other is the setup. So here you can add projects, categories, and you can add employees. This drop down is picking up data from here. These are the employee names, the category names. You can change it according to your requirement. So when you are done with looking at this, we have different options. This is estimated start, finish, and then work hours, then estimated duration. This is the actual data, and you have some other fields as well. And this is the percentage completion of the project. So you can edit it according to your requirement. When you are done looking at this template, close it without saving, and then again go back to the new tab and now search for the template academic calendar. Here it is. It's the academic calendar. Click Create. So this is the current year displayed here, and you can change the year as well. If you, let's say, I want to make a calendar for 2019. If I press here, the dates are changed according to 2019. So let's use 2020, and you can change the month as well. The current month is June. And you can change the start day as well. If I start it from Sunday, this is the calendar is adjusted accordingly. Let's start it on Monday, and you have additional months if you scroll down as well. If I change the month here to, let's say, January, the other months are automatically updated. You can save this in your Excel Lesson 3 folder and give it a name 03 My Calendar Solution. And click Save. And now when you go to the new tab, you can see that your academic calendar template is available here as the first option, and then project, since these two templates are recent. Now let's search for another template. So there are a lot of budget templates that have been downloaded from the internet, and you can use them that match your requirement. Okay, close the workbook and close the Excel application. We have completed our lesson 3 now.